Hi, second graders. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, and you are going to learn about possessive nouns. So I want you to log into BrainPop Junior, click on the link, and watch the video on possessive nouns. Then you can take the easy and the hard quiz if you want and explore the different activities in there. And then we have to review IXLs. You're going to spell the silent E words, and J2, complete the word with the correct diphthong, O-I, O-Y, O-U, or O-W. So if I open it up for F3, I'm going to make sure you log in here. It says listen to the word, then spell it.
Tame.
Tame. T-A-M. A said its name, so I know it has the silent E at the end. Touch spell to help you.
Lime.
L-I-M. L-I-M. Okay, and then keep going. Then J2, open it up, log in if you aren't already logged in, and then it says
Bow.
bow. Well, b-ow. I have my O-W. Ow sound at the end of the word.
Cow.
Cow. Remember when you hear ow at the end of the word, it's an O-W.
Growl.
Growl. Gur-oi-ul. Gur-oi. Because both of these say oi. Ow. Gur-ow-ul. And that ow sound. Oi. S. Oh. O-I. Oi in the middle of the word. O-I. And then go ahead and continue on. Then you're going to read to self for 30 minutes. Following that, you have a couple optional tasks. You have your Sunday lesson 114. You have your Sunday worksheet 114. You can read to someone at your house, maybe a younger brother or sister, older brother and sister would like you to read to them. If not, you can always read to Mrs. Meddert on Seesaw. And then complete a Raz Kids and take the comprehension quiz. Or, as always, you can write too. Do your free write. All right, have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Let me know if you have questions on Seesaw, and I will get back to you.